Are you tired of messy inboxes and confusing labels in Gmail? Today, I'm going to show you a simple trick that can instantly make your email more organized. How to change the name of a label in Gmail. This is a quick adjustment that can improve your workflow, whether you're managing multiple projects or keeping your personal emails tidy. First, log into your Gmail account and head to your inbox. On the left sidebar, you'll see your labels listed. These are the little folders that help categorize your emails. Take a moment to find the label you want to rename. Once you spot it, hover your mouse over the label. You'll see 3 vertical dots appear. This is your More Options menu. Click on those dots, and from the drop-down menu, select Edit. This will open the label settings where you can customize the label name. Now, type in the new name you want for your label. Make it clear and easy to recognize. For example, if it's for work emails, you might name it after a specific project or client. Make sure the name accurately reflects what's inside the label. Once you've entered the new name, click Save. That's it. Your label is updated and the change will appear on all devices linked to your Gmail account. A small tweak like this can make a big difference in how you navigate your inbox. Keep experimenting with label names until you find a system that truly works for you. Thanks for watching, and here's to a cleaner, more organized Gmail experience.